Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make long-lasting mayonnaise. To start, always use very fresh, pasteurized eggs to ensure both safety and a stable emulsion. The quality of your ingredients directly impacts the mayonnaise's shelf life. Next, carefully separate the egg yolk from the white, as only the yolk is needed for this recipe. Ensure no egg white contaminates the yolk. For the best results, choose a neutral-flavored oil like canola or grapeseed oil, about 1 cup. A small amount of Dijon mustard, approximately 1 teaspoon, acts as an excellent emulsifier and adds a subtle tang. Begin whisking your egg yolk vigorously, then very slowly drizzle in the oil, drop by drop at first. This gradual addition is crucial for a stable emulsion. Once your mayonnaise has thickened to your desired consistency, it's time to add the preserving agents. Stir in 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice or white vinegar. This acid not only enhances flavor, but also significantly extends the mayonnaise's shelf life. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Transfer your homemade mayonnaise to a clean, airtight container. To maximize the shelf life of your homemade mayonnaise, always ensure that all your utensils and storage containers are impeccably clean and dry. Any moisture or contaminants can drastically reduce its freshness. When using the mayonnaise, always use a clean spoon to avoid introducing bacteria. This careful handling can help your mayonnaise last for up to 2 weeks in the refrigerator. Also, for more great tips and other deals, check the description below, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.